Hey there, it's all fogged up in here, it's snowing outside, super exciting, and today is our last video in the little video series that I've been doing over the last several weeks about coping with anxiety and stress using natural solutions. So today's video is all about how to calm the F down using essential oils. So if that's what you want to learn, let's dive in. My name is Sabrina from the LiveStylishAndSustainable.com and the Stylish and Sustainable podcast. For the best healthy and sustainable living advice, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notifications to know when new videos come out every week. If you're looking to calm down in a natural way, this is the video for you. By the end of this video, you will learn about my 4 favorite essential oils for coping with anxiety and stress in a natural way. As a certified aromatherapist, these are the 4 essential oils I think that you should always have on hand if you deal with stress on a daily basis. So today, you're learning again about the 4 essential oils that you need to have in your pack of natural solutions for dealing with stress to calm the F down naturally. Let's go. So before we talk about the 4 essential oils that I recommend to use when you need to calm the F down, we are going to talk about what aromatherapy is and how it even works. So that creates a foundation of our understanding. Aromatherapy is a holistic healing framework that uses natural plant extracts to promote different reactions inside your body and to stimulate self-healing. Different plants have different chemical constituents that react in special ways with your body. Today we're going to be talking about essential oils that stimulate your parasympathetic nervous system. Now, this can vary depending on what chemotype you're using, as the chemical constituents can vary in the different essential oils you're using based on the chemotype. But in today's 4 essential oils, they are basic. You're going to find them in almost every essential oil line, and they help to stimulate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is a subsystem of your autonomic nervous system. Your parasympathetic nervous system helps your body to realize that you need to relax. So what it does is it reduces your blood pressure, it slows your heart rate down, it helps your body to send more blood to your digestive system so that you can digest the correct way, and it essentially is all of the good stuff that you experience when you are relaxed. Of course, there are many different ways that you can stimulate your parasympathetic nervous system, but today we're going to be talking about my 4 favorite essential oils to do that, and that will help you to calm down. Okay, so the first oil that we're going to be talking about today to use to calm the F down is chamomile. The Latin binomial for chamomile is Chamomile nobile, and the prominent chemical constituent that is active in Roman chamomile are esters. Roman chamomile has a wonderful herbal scent, and it's fantastic to use with the other 3 oils that I'm going to suggest to you today. The best part about Roman chamomile is that you can apply it topically with no worries, pretty much all over your body. It also is really fantastic for its analgesic properties, and I love to use it on my skin for acne or rashes, lots of good stuff like that. But chamomile is a fantastic oil to have on hand to help you calm down. The second oil that I recommend having on hand if you need to use essential oils to calm down is lavender. Lavender is a very popular oil. You can find it in almost any oil brand. The chemical constituent that is most prominent in most lavender chemotypes is linalool acetate, which is also an ester like we talked about in chamomile. I really recommend that you always be sure to get Lavandula angustifolia. That is my favorite chemotype of lavender. That's a Latin binomial you're going to be looking for. And like chamomile, lavender can be applied topically to the skin with really no worries. It's really great also for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects, but it's fantastic to diffuse or to use in a roller bottle or to use in a personal inhaler to calm down naturally. The third oil we're going to be talking about is frankincense, and the Latin binomial for frankincense is Boswellia carteri. I love frankincense because not only is it amazingly calming and has really strong sedative attributes, it's also fantastic for the skin, especially if you have aging skin. Similarly to lavender and to chamomile, frankincense's dominant chemical constituent is esters, but it also has a lot of terpenes. So it's just a wonderful woodsy smell. It's really great for anti-inflammatory application and of course for calming down. So again, wonderful to use in diffusers, personal inhalers, or roller bottles to calm down naturally throughout your day. Okay, and the final oil that I recommend that you have on hand if you're using essential oils to calm down is a special one, and that's Clary Sage. And I included this one for all the gals out there. Clary Sage is the best to use if you're having a freak fit because of your premenstrual syndrome, also known as PMS, or the horrible thing that visits us all every month. Clary Sage is amazing for us gals to use. Now, the thing that makes Clary Sage unique is that it is also prominent in its chemical constituents in linalool, and the sub-chemical constituent that helps to support linalool is esters. So kind of as a side note, what you should be noticing is the 4 essential oils that I'm talking to you about today are really strongly supported in their parasympathetic support by the chemical constituents esters. So esters are a subgroup of chemical constituents that exist in essential oils. Each of these oils have many other different chemical constituents, but if you're looking for an essential oil that's going to help you to calm down, you really want to look to ones that are prominent and have a large percentage of esters in the chemical constituent breakdown. And you can find chemical constituent breakdowns of essential oils all over Google. They're everywhere. So again, Clary Sage is great if you're having a freak fit because of PMS. Also can be used in personal inhalers. It's good for skin application topically, neat, and it can be used in the diffuser and in roller bottles. So just to overview, the 4 essential oils I recommend to use to calm down are lavender, frankincense, Roman chamomile, and salvia scalaria, also known as Clary Sage. To find more recipes and applications for how to use these oils, you can watch the other videos that I've made about body care and self-care for anxiety and how to cope with anxiety using natural solutions. There are lots of different recipes, including these oils, in those 2 videos. Have you used any of these oils before? If so, please tell me below and tell me what your favorite one of the 4 that I mentioned is and how you've used them. I think it's a great learning opportunity for those of us in the community to see how all of us are using essential oils in wonderful ways to support calming down, which is a really challenging thing to do for a lot of us. If you don't know how to use essential oils, I'm glad you found this channel. Go to my website, Live Stylish and Sustainable, to get a free downloadable Essential Oil 101 course. As a certified aromatherapist, I have a wealth of knowledge about essential oils, and I'm really excited to be sharing with you all the nitty-gritty details about how essential oils are distilled and all of the explanations of how they work within your body through the 3 different treatment modalities, whether that's topical, inhalation, or, of course, internal use. So go find that Essential Oil 101 course at the livestylishandsustainable.com website, and be sure to like this video if you liked it. If you learned something at all, be sure to give it a like. Some of you may know that really what my passion is sustainable health coaching, and that incorporates yoga, essential oils, and nutrition. So for a free downloadable health map, all you have to do is fill it out and find your map to health. Go to the link below. It's great. Something that I want to draw to your attention is the fact that the Stylish and Sustainable podcast and the YouTube channel is 100% completely free. How does that happen? Well, I work lots of hours to make it happen like that. But if you want to support this content and make sure that it continues to be free for everyone all over the place and support gals learning about sustainable holistic wellness, you can visit us on Patreon. It's a really wonderful way. We just started our Patreon for you to support SNS, for you to become a greater part of the community and to connect one-on-one with me. So visit our Patreon link below. You can find out what type of support and member and patron you want to be. There's lots of amazing benefits, like getting discounts off of health coaching with me and getting exclusive content. So visit our Patreon link below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't just watch this video and not take action. Take action. Go get yourself one of these oils or all of them. You can also, of course, learn more about the essential oil companies that I recommend at livestylishandsustainable.com and the other videos that I recommend earlier that you should follow up and watch. Thanks, you guys. I'll see you next week. Sending good vibes your way.